Hello, my friends. It's Karl Smith, your international hypnotist and coach, and we are still going through question 14 out of this series of 254 of questions and answers of practical hypnotism by Emil Franchel. Now, this book was 1957. If you've watched the other ones before, we're just having a look at a modern take if anything's changed, and the constraints he had and the constraints I don't have, and looking at it about this way. So, question 13. Let's have a look at this straight away, and then let's have a look at this. What makes a person difficult to hypnotize? Okay, this question 14 that we're going through on there now. His answer back in 57. Many people are not really difficult, but slow types of subjects. In general, they become slow subjects because of a nervous tensions, perhaps desiring too strongly to be hypnotized, unfounded fear of state of hypnosis, having too many problems in their mind at the time, lack of faith in ability of the hypnotist, or any one of a combination of 1,000 reasons. There you go. I have to agree on all of them, to be quite honest, including this here, the strong desire of perhaps desiring too strongly to be hypnotized. Maybe they've got their own preconceived ideas of what it should and should not be. Unfounded fears of the state of hypnosis. These are the things that we should be excluding and getting out of the way prior. This is where I'm talking about when people come to you, you should be looking at their threshold. Do they really want this? And you should be listening to their language patterns about whether they want to just try. I want to try and get rid of this. And well, you know, one of the key things that I always say to clients, therapists, about watching a client is this 3-second rule. There's a 3-second rule that I always teach. And basically it comes from policing. When I was in the police, is that when you're looking at somebody and you just go, do you really want this? If they say, you know, they're not up for it. If they go yes straight away, you know you're straight in. Something I want you to go test directly straight at them. Do you really want to change? Watch what they do. If they pause for too long and think about it, they're not in the right frame of mind. So realistically, what you want to be looking at is your pre-talking about what you've been doing with them. Do they really want this? I mentioned this in the last video. Just because a client comes and pays you money and pays lots of money in some cases, does not mean that they want to change. Just because they've paid you and they've come all that way to come see you does not mean they want to change. Some people want to stay there. You're going to hit that straight away. You're going to hit that type of resistance. If somebody doesn't want to be there, if they don't like it, they don't like you, all of those things. So my advice is, check threshold. It will stop this. If you get your pre-talk right, you'll never have problems with hypnotizing people that want to be hypnotized. All right. So don't forget, guys and girls, if you want to join me, if you want to come learn with me or learn more about hypnosis, go have a look at www.hypnotist.live. If you can't be bothered to type that in, scan the QR code just up there. My name's Karl Smith. I hope you've enjoyed that. Lesson number 14 out of 254. Practical ideas with Emil Franchel. Oh my God, it's been a long day. They put a like and a comment, and I hope you're well. Hope you're fine. Go out there and go practice. And when you finish practicing, go practice some more. Be safe out in that crazy world there, my friends. Be safe. See you on the next video. Take care. Bye.